Is now the right time to buy or sell Marathon Patent stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Marathon Patent. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 12, 2024, our system has identified Marathon Patent as a sell candidate with a score of -2.43. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -6.59%. This means that on average, there has been a daily loss of -0.51% since it was identified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently within a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, which presents a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $16.79 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising and possibly a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 61.84% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return between 53.23% and 231.33%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 46.78% change over the next year, with a potential return between -12.53% and 164.98%. This suggests a price range of $15.51 to $46.98 after a year. Our latest update on Marathon Patent brings you an important headline: big movements in Marathon Patent stock price on Wednesday, with a 11.06% difference between the high and low. On the last trading day, Wednesday, January 31, 2024, the Marathon Patent stock price experienced a decrease of 2.1%, going from $18.11 to $17.73. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 11.06%, reaching a low of $17.27 and a high of $19.18. Over the past weeks, the price has been fluctuating, resulting in a 2.72% gain. Despite an increase in trading volume by 19 million shares, the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly higher risk in the coming days. In total, approximately 75 million shares were bought and sold for a total value of $1.33 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the Marathon Patent stock had a highest price of $31.30 and a lowest price of $5.13. Currently, the price is 43.35% or $13.57 below the 52-week high, and 78.75% or $65.72 below the all-time high on November 9, 2021, when it reached $83.45. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, January 17, 2024, it was reported that BTIG upgraded Mara's rating to buy. On Friday, September 23, 2022, it was reported that BTIG downgraded Mara's rating to neutral. On Thursday, August 11, 2022, it was reported that Jefferies upgraded Mara's rating to buy. On Tuesday, July 12, 2022, it was reported that B. Riley Securities maintained Mara's rating as neutral. On Friday, June 24, 2022, it was reported that Cowen & Company initiated coverage on Mara with a market perform rating. Marathon Patent stock has received an overall strong buy rating from analysts. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio are both rated as strong buy. Analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating for return on investment. Today, we will be discussing the signals for Marathon Patent. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for Marathon Patent. Let's analyze the stock's performance. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, but the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is higher than the short-term average, this gives a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $20.77. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find some support from the short-term average at $17.18. Breaking above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the general sell signal. We observed a sell signal from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023. Since then, the stock has fallen by -42.94%. It is likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a sell signal at the moment. Yesterday, the volume rose on falling prices, which could be considered an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the stock's performance moving forward. Today, we're going to discuss some interesting signals that can help guide your investment decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. Currently, it's showing a sell signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which indicated a sell signal 24 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger indicator gave a buy signal 49 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it provided a buy signal 5 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 14 days ago. When we analyze the relation between the short and long moving averages, it indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to get a broader perspective. The short moving average showed a sell signal 15 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 38 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Marathon Patent. When it comes to support, the stock has found a strong level just below today's price. Accumulated volume suggests support at $16.13 and $16.07. However, it's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Marathon Patent, the next support levels are at $16.13, $16.07, and $14.86. Moving on to risk, this stock is considered to be very high risk due to its significant volatility. It can experience large price movements during the day, making it important to exercise caution. The Bollinger Band also indicates a wide prediction interval, adding to the risk factor. Looking at the recent performance, Marathon Patent has shown considerable volatility. In the last day, it had a price range of $1.91, which is equivalent to 11.06%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 9.25%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Marathon Patent, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are operating at a loss. Established companies can go through downturns due to external factors, but consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 21, 2024. Analysts have a consensus estimate of $0.0600 for earnings. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Marathon Patent. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $17.78. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is facing a downward trend, the first support level to keep in mind is at $16.13. If this support level holds, it could present a potential entry point for traders, with the expectation of a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, Marathon Patent has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 31, 2023, SWIC Adam Michael bought 2,875 shares of common stock as an insider. On December 31, 2023, SWIC Adam Michael sold 1,637 shares of common stock as an insider. On December 27, 2023, Swami ASHU purchased 5,000 shares of common stock as an insider. On December 27, 2023, Swami ASHU sold 2,016 shares of common stock as an insider. On December 15, 2020, Teal Frederick G. sold 5,000 shares of common stock as an insider. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 52.006. In total, insiders have purchased 2,676,839 shares and sold 911,569 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and we haven't set a stop loss. Is Marathon Patent stock a good buy? Despite a positive trend, the Marathon Patent stock currently presents several negative signals, leading us to believe that it will perform weakly in the next few days or weeks. As a result, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. On Thursday, February 1st, we anticipate Marathon Patent to open up $0.330 and start trading at $18.06. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By using the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please let us know if you agree or disagree in the comments below. We're also curious to hear about your target for this stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.